So today I'm so excited to share my unboxing of the Cloth and Paper August Intention Box. So this month's box is going to be centered around the Kakeibo method, which is a traditional Japanese budgeting system that emphasizes mindful spending and saving. So if you are a planner who loves getting new stationery and learning new planning methods every month, then this is going to be for you. So let's get into what's inside of the box and get started. So I'm going to open it up. So the first thing you see here is everything packaged super nicely. And I love how it says right here, there is luxury in simplicity. Now let's go through each item one by one. So this looks like my receipt and a note with my name on it. So let me just open this up now so we can see what's inside. So it's a nice leather, feels so sturdy. Let's see what this is. So it looks like it's an accordion folder. It says cloth and paper on it. It's like a nice gray color. And then you can label each of these. So this is probably for your finances or your receipts or coupons or whatever you want to put in there. So this magnetic lock here makes it so easy to keep it shut when it's in your purse. So I really like this. Okay, next up is this package. So let's see what's inside of this. It has a number of things. Okay, so first it looks like a set of 2 pens. So we have 2 really nice pens. Okay, so this is the first pen. So Winsor & Newton, and it's 0.3 tip. I'll do some pen tests in a little bit. And then we also have a Pilot G6 pen, which is a 0.5. So really nice quality pens. And then we have a little packet of little stationery. So first we have this monthly reflection card. Ooh, and it's like a mirror. So it says, mindful, what does it mean to be well prepared for the future? So you can probably put this in the pocket of your planner, use it as a mirror if you want. So that's nice. And then it looks like we have a calendar. So it's like a pop-up calendar. I think I have to fold it like this and then attach it at the bottom here. And then you can just have this sitting on your desk so you can see your month. So this is for October, actually. I'll save that for October. And then we have just an overview of what's all inside. This is everything that is inside of this box. Then we have some clear label stickers for your financial organizer. So you can either use this for the financial organizer that they gave you, or you can even use it as dividers in your ring planner if you have dividers for it. And you also get special member access to more goodies online. Okay, so the next item is some inserts. So I chose A5 inserts. So these are just financial inserts that you can put into your planner. This is the Art of Living. It looks like a planner dashboard. So you can put this in the front of your planner. And then looks like a little folder to put maybe like your old inserts in, or your stickers, or anything you want. So it's just like a plastic holder that you can put your things in. Okay, and now for the main event. So this is a modern bound notepad. It's compatible with half letter and A5 inserts, so 6.5 by 9 inches. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, so it's pretty heavy. Looks like it's all metal, all steel. And it already comes with inserts in there for you. Okay, so let me just cut this open. Okay, so here is the notepad. So it has the inserts already in there for you, and it has little bumpers here so that when you put it on your desk, it doesn't move around or anything. So I think to change out the inserts, you can simply unscrew these and then remove this. And then you can change it out with the other inserts if you wanted to. The holes would be covered up even if you used a regular A5 paper. So that's really perfect for this. It's very versatile. So this is really fancy. Like, I have never had stationery that was metal like this. This is pretty cool and different. And I think this steel color just adds a sophisticated touch to your planning. So it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. So these are the Kakeibo inserts, and I think it's the traditional Japanese budgeting system. The Kakeibo method is just a way for you to track your expenses and just being more mindful about it. So it has the date, the description, the category, and the amount. And the category that the Kakeibo method uses is like wants, needs, culture, and unexpected. So let's just fill this out. Let's see, August 6th, 20. So let's say, for example, groceries is a need. So we're just going to put need and the amount, say $250. So when you are spending throughout the week, you can just write down expenses as they come up. And if it was a want, a need, a culture. So culture can be anything like maybe buying a book or maybe going to see a movie or something. And then unexpected could be, let's say, for example, you needed a new tire. So that would be unexpected. Let's just say that was $200. So you can write it like that. Just by filling out your Kakeibo worksheet, you'll gain a clear picture of your spending habits and be able to make better financial decisions. Okay, so I'm going to test out the Winsor & Newton pen first. I have a microphone right here so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so that one is very thin and very precise. You don't want to use too hard of a hand if you are writing with this because it's very thin, so it can break if you push too hard on it. And next we have the Pilot G6. So this one is a more ballpoint type pen. It's a little thicker. You can write hard with this one, but it's pretty smooth, but it's just like your typical pen. I really like this one because you can be a little bit more precise and your writing is going to feel a lot more purposeful with this one. Okay, now I'm excited to use these financial inserts. So I'm not sure if they are all the same or not. So let's just open it up and see. So I did get A5 because I have an A5 planner, and already the quality of this is so nice and thick. If you are familiar with cloth and paper, their paper is amazing. First, we have this monthly overview, and then it has recurring payments, a weekly expense log. So it's not all the same. So I like that. So we have a weekly expense log, more, and then a monthly savings and a monthly reflection. And then I think it repeats. I don't know how many months this is, maybe 12 months it looks about, but that's a lot of pages and everything is already in order for you by the month. So I really like that. I'm gonna put this in my A5 binder. That'll be nice to just budget and get everything nicely organized. So the finance inserts are just gonna help you track your answers to questions like how much money do you have, how much do you wanna save, and how much are you spending every single week, and then the reflection is how you can improve. So it includes sections for all of this so that you can be more mindful about your spending habits. And then we have this monthly reflection card. So it's just about being more mindful. So it does have a film over, so you could just peel that so that it's nice and clear. Okay, so you can see it is a mirror. So you can probably see me right here. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep this in my wallet. I think it'll help me be more mindful when I'm spending. It says, what does it mean to you to be well prepared for the future? So that's gonna be really nice to have. And then it also doubles as a mirror for your wallet. And then you get this snap dust cover. So if I'm not going to be using these yet, I can just put extra inserts in here or put a sticker or a card, whatever I want. I can just put it in here and close it up, and it'll help keep your inserts or anything else nicely protected. Okay, now we have the financial organizer folder. So it is a 6 tabbed folder with the clear label stickers that were also included for you. So this is perfect for keeping your finances in check. If you do cash, you can put cash in here, but if you don't, you can also just use it for receipts, coupons, and stuff like that. So this organizer is just nice to keep everything all in one place and makes it easier to manage and review your finances. It's also incredibly satisfying to have all of it in one organized and easily accessible little folder that you can just throw into your purse. And it just feels so nice, and the magnet isn't really hard for it to attach to each other. So I really like that, really good quality. So here is how I organize my financial organizer. So the clear label stickers actually came with 2 sets. So one's like a bluish gray color, and then the other one is a clear. So it's 2 sets. They both say the same things. They're just for your financial organizer. But the way that I am using it is for receipts. So I don't really have cash on me. So I have one tab for cash that I do keep on me. And then I have groceries. So this will just be for grocery receipts. And then we have food, so like fast food or restaurants receipts. And then any shopping that we do that's extra will go here. And then if we are traveling, I like to keep track of everything that I spend. So that will go in this back tab here. And then finally, gifts. So for gifts, I'll probably just put gift receipts there, or maybe if we're saving up for gifts for Christmas or birthdays or whatever, I can put all of the receipts back there. So that's how I'm going to be using this cloth and paper financial organizer. So next up is this Art of Living dashboard. Really small here, it says, "The art of living is neither careless drifting on the one hand nor fearful clinging to the past on the other. It consists in being sensitive to each moment, in regarding it as utterly new and unique, in having the mind open and wholly receptive." Alan W. Watts. So it's a very nice photograph here and a motivating quote about living. So I think it's elegant, and just the featured quote and artwork resonates with the theme of mindful. So you can use it as a divider between different sections of your planner. So it doesn't have to be just a decorative piece. It can just be a constant reminder to live more purposefully and with intention. And then this was just the folder that my invoice came in, but I really like this folder. It says "to keep," and it's a really nice little folder that I can just put like little stickers in here or anything else you can think of. So I'm probably going to be keeping this as well. Okay, so this was my first subscription box from Cloth and Paper, and it definitely did not disappoint. So every month they bring something new and exciting, and which is perfect for planners who get bored easily and just love trying out new planning techniques. So previous boxes have included themes like the Rule of 3, the bibliophiles for book lovers, and I think there was a Ivy Lee method, which is another productivity technique, and then a networking, connect, and cultivate one. So this variety really is going to keep your planning routine fresh and engaging. And as a hybrid planner, I use both digital and paper planners to manage different aspects of my life. So while my digital planner is great for on-the-go planning and syncing across devices, having a dedicated financial planner on paper is going to be incredibly beneficial. Just having that tactile experience of writing down my expenses and savings goals in my planner is just going to help me stay more connected and intentional with my finances. So the high quality, luxurious items from Cloth and Paper is going to elevate my planning experience and make it a lot, not only functional, but also very enjoyable to have. So these subscription boxes like these from Cloth and Paper is going to offer several benefits for those looking to stay consistent with their planning. And I think each box is thoughtfully curated to provide a comprehensive set of tools that all work together. So I love how they thought about what goes into each box. So like, for example, this month's focus was on the Kakeibo method, and it included everything you need to start budgeting mindfully, which couldn't have come at a perfect time because I just started opening up credit cards for travel points. And this is going to make everything so much easier for me to track what I'm spending on the credit card and just being more mindful about what I put on it. So this all-in-one approach makes sure that you have everything you need without having to hunt or shop for anything additional. So it's like a one-stop shop for all of your planning needs, and it comes every single month to your doorstep. You can't ask for anything easier than that. So I love this cloth and paper subscription box. It's more than just stationery. It's a monthly dose of inspiration and luxury that keeps your planning routine exciting and effective. So whether you are new to planning or a seasoned pro, these boxes are going to offer something valuable for everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would love to see more of these types of videos. Thanks so much for watching.